In this video, I want to share with you how you can start tracking your Facebook ad performance and users and data with your Kajabi lead funnels and websites and the likes. So we will start in, you look in your events manager, in your ads manager as well. So when I go through in my business manager settings, I can come through to my account, to an ad account, and it's going to ask me to connect data sources. Okay, so it'll say, great, connect data, and we'll say, okay, yep, that's what we're going to do. And then for Kajabi, we're going to choose website for this one. You may have another service you want to integrate, which you might want to include here. This is just going to give us more robust tracking, particularly with all the iOS changes and more expected to be coming. Facebook have upgraded their tracking so that we have more on Facebook tools and server-side tools to be checking everything and matching the data. So we want to get the most accurate conversion data possible so we can track the performance of each of our ads. So we can click connect, and then you can name your data set. Now, I've already done it for this one, so I'm not going to set up another one, but you can just put the name of your business or your Kajabi data set, but you'll probably just use the same one across most of your lead funnels and pipelines. Okay, so you name that and click create. Now, because I already did it and it didn't film, hopefully it'll bring it here. I think that it asks you to, one moment, what we will then do, just go to the overview. I'm just going to show you one other thing. I think it brings it here. And we can go, it'll then give us that data source. That will be your pixel and your data set. Okay, they've sort of using the names interchangeably now. So when you want to see the actual pixel code, you click on down here, set up metapixel, and if you just want the chunk of code, you can click install code manually and copy that code, and that will give you your full Facebook pixel code or metapixel code. Okay, and that's what's called your base code that will go across every page, but most services, including Kajabi, will only ask for the string of codes. Okay, so the string of numbers, sorry, that is embedded within that base code. So if you paste this code, you'll see the string of numbers, which will actually be, if I go back here to where I just was, it was those numbers that were on the side under data sources. Let me just show you that. This ID here. Okay, so firstly, that will be what we will embed in Kajabi. So we would go to Kajabi, one moment, let me see if I can pull this up. We'll go to our Kajabi settings in here, and I'll just go out here for a moment. And we go down to settings, and we click on third-party integrations, and then we head down to Facebook Pixel, and we paste that pixel ID here. Okay, so that was just what I was highlighting to you before. That's where you'd find that. Paste that in there. We also want to get this access token because it improves data matching as well. So this pixel ID should then mean those each page that you publish on Kajabi will have that base code and will be registering views. So if, say for example, if we were going to set this page up, let me just, I haven't put the Facebook pixel tracker on it yet, but if I did here, for example, I'd grab that page, and we're just in the throes of just setting all of this up from scratch. So we would go back here, and I could put that in my Chrome browser. By the way, you need to be doing this in Chrome to see your pixel tracker, which is an extension, and it will show you if that's displaying. We can click up here, and it says yes, one, it's got a page view. I can then go to set up events on other individual pages once that's activated too. But that now I know is hooked up. But I'm also wanted the token, which I go into, let me show you. See, just going to open all of these things. I'll go back there. I'll go back to the overview. Here, go to data sources. What I can do is once again click on set up megapixel, and then I'm going to check for my partner integration because there is one for Kajabi. So I click on that, and I want automatic advanced matching. Oh, turn it on. I thought I had it on. Okay, so slide that across because we want the automatic advanced matching. Then we click next, and next again.
I can do many things.
And
sending you into the radio feature is one thing I'm still working on. I can get you another
Alexa's
station
talking
mode.
to me in the background.
Ask me to play
Okay,
a station
Alexa,
mode.
stop. Sorry, I thought I was instructing Alexa of something. Okay, so then it says it's active now, but it will give me that token when I haven't done it already. So then I click next. Oh, that's actually, sorry, that's verifying the pixel is actually on the page because that needs to be on there first. And then you enter your website URL in there, or the domain that's connected. So if you've got your main domain connected to Kajabi, or as, well, it doesn't matter if it's a subdomain either, that's fine too. If you haven't done your custom domain yet, I'm not sure if it works without the custom domain done. You might just need to use your Kajabi general URL, and then I go next, and it is I'm just going to, because I've already done that there, so normally it will give me a little token, a piece of code, but because I'd already done it and didn't record, it's not going to show you that one. But it gives you like a piece of code to copy, and that is what I had added in here, not there, in my settings. Under here, that was my access token. So I just pasted that from when I put my website in and it generated the token, and then I could copy it, okay? I was hoping to capture that on a new account to show you exactly what it would look like, but it wanted to disappear from me, which is a bit annoying, but that's okay. That just gives you an idea of how to hook in your Kajabi partner integration and set up your data set and pixel, so you'll have a number that you can track your ad, traffic and conversions. Okay, good luck.